Welcome back. Look at my beautiful pumpkin pie. The cute little baby turkey. Welcome to my little country kitchen. It's part 3 of our pumpkin series. Look at my cute little baby pumpkin I grew. Okay, I made the pumpkin pie in a jar. Check out the link below. I will give you the recipe for that, or the video for that, so you can watch that. That was in part 2. And let me roll out my dough and then dump in the filling. My oven is preheating to 400 degrees. Okay, let's go. My mom gave me this crust, and when it was still frozen, it broke. So I'm just gonna stitch it back together. I bet you could make these yourself. To make a top and a bottom pie crust, it's just 2 cups of flour and 3/4 cup of fat. And then you just blend that in a food processor, or just cut it in with the fork. And then mix it all together and you chill it for half an hour, then roll it out. But if you put parchment paper and rolled it out between parchment paper, I bet you could make these same little pie things. Okay, I'm just gonna push together the little seams. Okay, not too bad. Normally I like blind baking my pie crust, but oh, I'm not going to do that today, so I just want it quick. So I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and I'm going to put it on high just to get that crust really cooked on the bottom. I do not like an undercooked pie crust. I am going to cut off the extra trim because I want to make a cute little design on top, if there's enough. Okay. Now, let's get to the filling part. So, in my bowl, I'm going to dump in my pie filling in a jar. Get all that yummy goodness out. And a can of evaporated milk. And to get this, you cut it halfway around and you cut a little poke in the top, and it comes out with that little air vent. It lets it come out a lot easier. And now 2 eggs. These are fresh from my chickens. Oh, I forgot to gather the eggs. It's already dark. I need to run out there after I do this. Okay. Now, let's get all together. Now it's looking a little runny to me, and I'm going to add an extra egg. I like my little boa. Has 2 towels on the end, easy to dry my hands off. while we're working in the kitchen. Okay. Easiest 6-minute pie I've ever thrown together, because you did all the prep work ahead of time. Made your own pumpkin puree because it's more delicious. Made your own pie filling because that's also more delicious. You could make your own crust, but I'm just using this because I have it. And now I'm going to put it in the oven at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And then I'm going to put a pie shield, or I'm just going to make one out of tin foil so the sides don't burn. Let's put this on a cookie sheet so it's easier to take in and out. Okay. And with the rest of this pie dough, I wanted to make a cute little turkey on top, but I don't know if I'm going to have enough. See his cute little body shape? I have to put him in later then. Okay. Two cute little eyes. And with the rest we're gonna make some feathers. Come closer. This would be a fun little project for your little kids. Let's give him some turkey feathers. Little beak. Okay, he doesn't need that big of a beak. Little beady eyes. And let's give them all the gobble, wobble, whatever you call that. Oh, come on, stay still. Look how cute! Okay, he needs to feather on top of his head. The pie into the oven. I'm going to put it on 400 for about 10-15 minutes, and then we'll come back and turn it down. The pie's been in the oven for about 20 minutes, and now I'm making the little ring to go around the pie crust so it doesn't burn the crust. Too brown. Three should be long enough. Stick it in the pie. See how the crust is completely done? We don't want it burnt. Put on this little pie shield. one more piece. They do sell pie shields, but I can't remember if I have one or not. If I do, I have no idea where it is. Okay, right. I'm gonna wait a little bit longer, about halfway through. It's only been in there 20 minutes. I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna wait about halfway through before I put my turkey on. So it's been 40 minutes. I'm putting in my little turkey on top. And I'll jiggle this. Oh, looks like it might be done. Let me check it. This is what the turkey looked like before I baked it. And while the pie was baking, I had soup. It was pretty yummy.
Welcome back. Look at my beautiful pumpkin pie.
Little baby turkey. Okay, let's dig in. Definitely glad I added that extra egg. Dollar Tree. So cute. And look how beautiful that looks. Let's top it off. Whipped cream, of course. Okay, let's taste. Yummy, yummy. 6 minute. I threw this pie together in 6-minute pumpkin pie because I did all the prep work last week. Wanted to check the bottom of the crust. Yeah, let's see how toasty. Oh. Here, one more bite. It's so fluffy. That extra egg made it really fluffy. Next time I'm not gonna add that. It's more like a mousse. Still yummy. Just not as much pumpkin flavor as I wanted. Well, you guys have a happy Thanksgiving. And if you want to see me make pumpkin cookies next with my canned pumpkin that I already made, subscribe and we'll see you on the next one. I post usually every Wednesday and Saturdays. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a happy Thanksgiving. My pumpkin pie just came out of the oven. I tried to put the turkey on and I dropped him, but at least he's a little bit cute, but he kind of fell apart. Anyway, I'm gonna let it cool a little bit and then we will taste.